The Rally Gladiators are returning to Oulton Park this November. Watch World Championship cars through to iconic rally heroes take on the ultimate rally conditions, kicking up the gravel.
Everything alright, Cathy?
Where am I going?
Right here.
I mean 9 right, fast, minus, plus.
Just right.
Can I cut? I'm a rally driver.
No, it's JP's grass. Just go sideways.
Okay, I can do that.
Kicking up the gravel. Sideways on the tarmac. And taking on the famous Oulton Park ducks in the water splash.
What's up, Cathy?
I'll do most things in a rally car, but I am not driving through a pond full of ducks. That's really cruel.
They're not real ducks.
It doesn't matter. There's kids watching. This is supposed to be like a family event. I came to, you know, enjoy it and put a show on for spectators. I'm not going through that with ducks like that.
All right, we'll lose
Whose
the ducks.
idea was that? That's
We'll lose
really
the ducks.
stupid going through a load of ducks. Honestly.
Entertaining the famous Oulton Park rubber ducks in the water splash. We'll see you on the 3rd of November.